Say that Kenya Prisons, the calendar of events 2022, it has been wonderful. Yes, I cannot complain at all because, just like from, what do we call it, the corona season, nobody expected that we will be able to have, competitions back and all that. So first of all, we are so grateful that we can be able to come together and have any championships. And through the championships that we have been able to hold, we made a team that went to represent us during the World Championships. And in fact, we started with the Senior Africa Championships, where we had one of our officers won gold for the country. And even before, he had won a bronze in the world walking race. He won a bronze for the country. And also, we got a team that represented us in the Birmingham for the Commonwealth Games. And at the same time, we have other disciplines that have represented us. Come 2023, we are looking forward to take a bigger number of athletes to the big championships.